tiny apartment decorating ideas that maximize every inch. Hey there, welcome back to Decor. Are you tired of feeling like your living space is closing in on you? We've all been there, staring at a tiny floor plan and wondering where on earth the sofa goes. But what if I told you that small space living doesn't have to feel cramped? It's all about a mindset shift. Ready to turn that shoebox into a sanctuary? Let's dive into some interior design tips that will totally change the game for your home. First things first, let's talk color. Have you noticed how dark walls can make a room feel like a cave? To achieve that minimalist aesthetic, we need to embrace light. Think soft whites, cool grays, or even a pale blush. These neutral paint colors reflect natural light, making the walls feel like they're receding. Isn't it amazing how a simple gallon of paint can create such an open, airy vibe instantly? In a small footprint, every piece of furniture needs to work double time. Why settle for just a coffee table when you could have one with hidden storage? Multifunctional furniture is the ultimate secret weapon for apartment organization. Think nesting tables, ottoman sleepers, or a desk that folds into the wall. Are you making your furniture work as hard as you do? If not, it's time for an upgrade. you run out of floor space, where do you go? Up. Vertical storage solutions are often overlooked, but they are total lifesavers. Floating shelves and tall bookcases draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of height. Plus, wall-mounted decor keeps your surfaces clear and clutter-free. Have you looked at that empty space above your door lately? That's prime real estate just waiting for a stylish shelf. Want to know a designer's favorite trick for maximizing square footage? It's all about mirrors. Placing a large floor mirror opposite a window bounces light throughout the room and creates a phantom doorway. This visual depth trick makes any studio apartment feel twice as large as it actually is. It's basically magic without the wand, right? Who knew a mirror could be such a powerhouse? In an open concept studio, things can get messy fast. How do you define a bedroom from a living room without building walls? Use area rugs to create distinct zones. A plush rug under the bed and a jute rug in the seating area tell the brain these are separate rooms. This spatial awareness helps organize your life and keeps your modern home decor looking intentional and chic. Have you ever heard of ghost furniture? Using acrylic furniture or glass coffee tables is a genius move for small spaces. Because you can see right through them, they take up zero visual weight. Your room stays functional without feeling crowded or heavy. It's the perfect way to keep that sleek interior look while still having a place to put your coffee mug down. Let's be real, clutter is the enemy of a small home. To maintain a clutter-free environment, you need to get sneaky with your storage. Underbed bins, decorative baskets, and hollow benches are your best friends. Smart storage hacks allow you to keep your sentimental items without them taking over your life. Can you imagine the peace of mind that comes with a perfectly organized, tidy home? Don't forget the greenery. Adding indoor plants is a fantastic way to breathe life into a tiny apartment. Use hanging planters or living walls to save on table space. Not only do plants improve air quality, but they also add texture and color to your biophilic design. Doesn't a little pop of green make everything feel more fresh and vibrant? It's the perfect finishing touch. So, are you feeling inspired to start your apartment makeover yet? Remember, decorating a small space isn't about what you can't have. It's about being creative with what you do have. By using these space-saving ideas, you're not just decorating, you're improving your quality of life. I'm so excited to see how you transform your home. Ready to take that first step toward your dream layout?